different subject we are discussing about the contract on the basis of design thinking. We all know that the design thinking is a concept of human-centric method. In this design thinking, we are discussing about the real-world problem. To that real-world problem, we are giving a different solution for that problem. That is a design thinking. In this contract, we all know that the commercial law means it interact with the business transactions, how the business transaction is running, and how we can made a contract over here. So contract means we should consider according to the law. It have a certain rules and regulations. We have to follow the certain rules and regulations. According to that, we have to make a contract. Here, agreement is enforceable by the parties, and it has a lawful object. So that is a contract. So based upon this, now the student is going to discuss about the design thinking through the 5 steps over here. Now the session is handed over to the students.
Hi everyone, I am Priyadashni. We are pursuing BCom degree at Dr. Snsinstitutions College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about commercial law with design thinking. We are going to see about contract. Design thinking based on contract, often called contract design thinking or legal design, applies design thinking principles to certain negotiation and management of contracts. So they are user-centric, clear, practical and value-driven, not just legally sound.
Design thinking using a contract. Traditional contract often are hard to understand, create friction and disputes, slow down business decision, focus on risk over relationship. Decision thinking helps reduce misunderstanding, improve compliance, speed up negotiations, strengthen business relationships.
Through design thinking, we can implement 5 steps in contract. The first one is empathize. In empathize, we have some questions. Who needs the contract? The first one. The next is the problems do they face. The next is where do misunderstanding occurs. The next is what decision must users make using the contract. For these questions, we have used some tools. First one is stakeholders we can use. The second one is user persons examples, sales managers, customers, consumers, and the wholesale vendors. That's all. The last one is contract journey mapping. In this, we can calculate what are the problems and solutions we can consider.
Examples. Users don't understand risk, losses, creating approvals. Contract language causes disputes. Outcomes. A clear problem such as sales team needs a contract that explain obligation clearly without legal intervention. Idea. Create better contract solution. Generate ideas to solve the problem. Ideas may include plain language process, visual summaries, examples, icon, tables, flowcharts, layered contracts, summary plus legal text, FAQ with within contracts, standardized class libraries.
Prototype is a part of design thinking. It gives a visual contact of new ideas with the prototype. It gives a creative, improved vision of the contract. Some examples are there. One-page contract summary and another visual timeline for obligations, color coded risk sections, modular classes, and the key principles are over here. It has a just like a normal thing. Prototype quickly does not aims for a perfection. Test is also included in the design thinking. It has a validate and improve. To test the contract with a real user. Methods are involving here. User feedback session, pilot contract, A and B testing causes format. It has a 2 type of testing allowed. It has A type of testing and has a B type of testing. It gives a more than result of a conclusion of over here. Track disputes or clarifications are needed.
Here we have discussed the concept of contract based on design thinking. So let us know some of the key principles of contract or design thinking. So we have clarity over the complexity of the content and the user understanding, which is over legal elegance, and also the prevention of disputes and not reaction, and the collaboration between legal, abruptly increase the continuous improvement on design thinking. Thank you.